am back with another vlog. So today is Saturday, June 26th. So we got a lot of rain yesterday. We got so much rain last night. I couldn't even stand it. Okay, like we got so much rain last night. Like our basement flooded, and I heard that the freeways and everything flooded, and yeah, so that's new. Love that for us. But yeah, so our basement flooded last night and our power is out right now. Yeah, so there's really nothing we could do until the lights come back on. We haven't cleaned up anything or anything. We have to wait for the lights to come back on. And then I'm probably gonna go out a little bit later and probably charge my phone because I only have a little bit of juice on my phone, you guys. And yeah, we're gonna try to figure out. We're probably gonna go to like Tim Hortons or Starbucks or somewhere, depending on if they have power, because I know like a lot of people in my area don't have power. So yeah, so that's what I'm delivering right now. Yeah, we got so much rain, you guys. Like I was just so frustrated at so much rain we got. Like it rained so heavy for like the whole day, like literally the whole day, it rained, and I was like, this is not good, because it's like every time it rains heavy like that, this is what happens. And it's like, I know that like the government is trying to get like the infrastructure stuff, like they're trying to get the infrastructure, like Detroit needs this infrastructure bill or whatever they're trying to work up. Like we need, like seriously, because it's sad. Like I woke up this morning, it's like 12 o'clock now. I woke up this morning and I was just shocked. Like I couldn't even sleep. Like last night our power went out it went out this morning. It went out at 2 o'clock this morning, which was stupid. Like, so our power went out at 2 o'clock in the morning this morning, and we were just pretty much sitting in the dark, like, or whatever. I mean, we lit some candles, had some flashlights and stuff. All I say is good thing it's not wintertime, because that would be very bad. But yeah, so yeah, we're just pretty much outside, just you know, we're just pretty much doing what we're supposed to be doing. Yeah, so I will catch you guys a little bit later. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at all of this water. Look at all of this water. Oh my gosh, this is how every bridge looks. You see that water down there? Look at them cars, bro. This is crazy. This is so crazy. We literally cannot, like, our house is surrounded by this. You know, they're on literally every street. Everybody's turning around. Like, this is crazy. You guys see them cars down there? That's how the freeway looks too. Look at the semi. Is the semi truck stuck? We have no power, nothing. And it's on both sides too. This is so crazy. They really need to do better. Like, this is just ridiculous. You don't know how many people then lost their car. Alright, you guys, I'm about to show you guys the freeway. and we're expected to get a lot more rain tonight and in the next couple of days. Like, this is so ridiculous. I'm about to show you guys the freeway. This is the freeway by my house, covered in water. Y'all see that car over there? It's horrible. This is really, really horrible. Like, I'm just trying to figure out, like, this is 2021. This is not working. This is horrible. We have no power. This is crazy. And this is how it is on every major freeway. On every major freeway, this is how it is. My basement flooded. So last night, this is what happened. It was raining all yesterday, so this is what happened. Like, you can't even get on the freeway. Like, every bridge that's like this is totally submerged in water. And I don't understand why cars want to drive in this. Like, it's people still getting on the freeway over there. Like, why are you still getting on the freeway and you know that this water is over here? Like, come on now. But yeah, this is what I'm dealing with. This is crazy. And they trying to act like they doing something over there, but they ain't not. They ain't what they. I looked on the DTE app, and it was like around in my area, like my block and like 2 blocks behind me, it was like 1,400 people who reported that their lights was out.
Around the corner, their lights is on. Yeah.
All the traffic lights are out. It's just really just chaos right now, but we gonna get through it. I'm gonna show you guys some more cars, cause this is not the end of it. It goes for a long way. I'm about to see if I can get up here. Y'all see those cars over there? Literally, there's the median is right there, and it's totally submerged. This is so crazy that this happened again, because it's just like, this happened before, so I just felt like we would have fixed the problem. I don't know if it's the sewage, I don't know if it's the system underground. Like, I really don't know. It could just be old. Like, I really don't know. Me and my mama, we went, our street was literally a river. Our residential street was literally a river last night, and that's pretty much. And it came, that water in the basement came up so fast. Yeah, but this is the freeway. Nobody's getting on the freeway.
Oh my God!
Oh, I'm sorry. No, she probably just on live.
Oh, okay. She said she's going down. He's going down and he ain't playing.
This guy is going to get his items out of his car, because his car is the white van.
Silver.
I don't think that matters. He's so technical.
Oh, you close.
He put on the suit.
Excuse me. You guys know y'all had any flooding, anything going on with your house and stuff?
We didn't have any problems. Just this.
Okay.
No, okay.
If you know of anybody, they got a website that you can go on, get some help.
He's going down there to get.
So he came out, got stuck himself. So he had to get towed out.
Right. Is the tow truck gonna come and get him?
They gotta wait till this go down. So he's going to get his personal items. He's going to get some personal items.
He in there though. He brave. He brave. I thought he'd be like, yes.
Yep, this is what we're dealing with right now. I don't know if you guys can see, but there's over here. I don't know if you guys can see. I don't know if somebody got into an accident or something because the traffic lights aren't working. The traffic lights aren't working. So there's some police over there. It might have been an accident because I don't think they're like, I don't think they're doing like no traffic patrol or nothing. The police was, oh, they still over there. Let me walk over here and see. Because people act like they don't know how to do a four-way stop when the traffic lights are out. Yeah, it was an accident. So the traffic lights are out. Let me see if I can. So this is the water. I'm on top of the bridge. I was gonna go on the other side too, but I don't want to get hit by a car. Go ahead. Oh, y'all trying to look and see. The front, because I don't want to get hit. Okay, so this is the other side of the freeway. It's a long stretch. And so they're not going to pump, they can't pump the water out because there's no electricity. So this is probably just going to try to have to recede. You know, it's just going to have to go down until, and we're supposed to get a lot more rain in like the next 2-3 days. Like it's supposed to rain again tonight. Hopefully it don't. It's supposed to rain tonight, tomorrow. So we're just praying for better days. Alright you guys, so it is a couple hours later and as you guys can see it got dark and there's no lights. There's no lights. The only lights are the headlights of the cars. They're still waiting on DCE to restore power. There's the gas station. I hope y'all can see it. It's closed. It's 9:45 p.m. It just got dark. And as y'all can see up here, the traffic lights are out. So everybody's just winging it. Nobody knows how to do a four-way stop. And yeah. This is the state that Detroit is in right now.
Emergency.
The governor issued a state of emergency so that we can get more resources. This is another gas station that's closed. KFC is closed. I don't even know how people are gonna eat.
Just dark. Just dark. It's just dark.
Yeah. So we're going pretty much back to we're pretty much passing where I was earlier today when I showed you guys all the water. Yeah, so all these, it's a lot of cars and semi trucks and just a lot of vehicles that are stalled out on the side of all the roads and the freeways and stuff. This is gonna be a really big mess to clean up. I didn't vlog in there for you guys, but the only food place that was open was Dunkin' Donuts.
And where we went earlier to get the French fries.
Yeah. Some people have generators like this gas station that we're pulling up to.
But this gas station over here is
This
closed.
gas station probably has a generator, but
This
the
one.
one across the street doesn't. And you can hear the generator. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but that's the generator. Oh, that's the generator for the light.
Yeah.
So they fixed this light because there was an accident. So the accident that y'all seen earlier, pretty much going down the dark. Going down the dark path. There's no lights at all, and we're just feeling as we go. So I will keep you guys updated. And
oh, we're supposed to stop right there, Lord Jesus. We're supposed to stop. But we can't see, so we can't.
The
None of
liquor
us
store,
can stop.
this liquor store, the liquor store not
There's a
open.
light right here too. We're supposed to stop.
This liquor store not open. Oh, he doing his he open.
He open. He got a generator.
He's selling that liquor.
It's a stop sign right here. We're supposed to stop, boo. Because I flew past the other one. You can't see. It's dark. She just opened her door like somebody can see.
So I will update you guys in a couple more hours.
Because I can't see a damn thing. You better not come out here. Because you're going to be a speed bump. I just went another light. I just ran another light. I can't see.
Anyway, so I will update you guys in a couple more hours.
Because I can't see.
And we're going to see what is this hill. I don't know when we're...
What's on fire over there? Is something on fire? Lord, there's something on fire. Can we see? It's right here. Where is it?
That was his car.
Oh my God. I can't even see the smoke. It's so dark.
This is horrible.
Oh my God. Why they don't put no generator at this light right here? Oh my goodness.
Alright, you guys, so it's been a couple hours and well, not a couple hours, it's actually the next day. So we got our lights back on. We got our lights back on last night at around, well, they were on when we came home. We came home around 8. Yeah, so our lights came back on. We were without lights for like a day and a half. Yeah, so this is what the basement is looking like. I tried to pick up as much as possible. As you guys can see, my luggage got wet. What else? A lot of unfortunately, I had a lot of my stuff in containers, but some of the containers did flip over because of the way since the water came up so fast, a lot of the tubs flipped over. A lot of our boots are wet, so we're probably gonna take those outside and wash them off like with the water hose and stuff and let them dry outside. Yeah, so the water, I'm gonna try to show you guys. So the water came up to, I know it's kind of dark in my basement, but if you guys can see, the water came up to right there. And I had to, when it first happened, I had to come down here and open up this drain right here, because I'm thinking this is the only drain that works. I don't know, I'm not for sure. I'm not like a plumber or anything, so I don't know, but I'm thinking that me opening up this drain really helped the water to go down. So yeah, and pretty much my furnace, my hot water tank, my washer and dryer pretty much were in water. So I don't know how damaged my hot water tank is or my furnace. So yeah, or my washer and dryer. So a lot of my laundry got wet, so the water pretty much came up to the second step. And yeah, so this is what we have right now. This is the water that's left over. Like I said, me and my mom are trying to get up as much as we can. Yeah, so as you guys can see, we have like numerous amounts of pneumonia, bleach. So we're just trying to get everything. We're supposed to be getting more rain over the next couple of days. I don't know why this drain is not going down. I'm not gonna say that it's not going down, it's just not going down as fast as I would like it to. Our couch got wet. If you can see the rain, that needs to go out. Yeah, as soon as possible. This is our Christmas. This is one of the Christmas decor buckets. It actually flipped over, so everything in there is wet. So I don't know if we're gonna throw everything out or just try to salvage it. I'm not sure. Yeah, so I did have to, like I said about my boots, most of my stuff is in this room, like especially like my winter stuff. Like you can see my coats and stuff are hanging, but I did have some boots that were like sitting on the floor, and those are the ones that got damaged. I'm not really worried about this basement, you know. It's a basement, like, come on now. My opinion is that I'm so glad that I didn't have like a finished basement, because this is what happens, you know, wherever you live, whatever state you live in, this is what happens. I would never try to finish a basement when I know that there's drains in I know that there's drains in at least 2 parts of the basement, so I know that water can come up whenever it feels like it. So I just, in my opinion, I would never furnish a basement. I know some people, you know, furnish the basement because, you know, they have insurance on their house, and if something happens, it's going to be covered, but sometimes it might not be covered, and then now you're just shit out of luck. So yeah, I'm just trying to make light of the situation. A lot of my stuff got ruined, but a lot of it didn't. So, you know, you win, you lose, whatever. But yeah, so I will catch up with you guys in the next clip. I'll call y'all back in a minute, and we'll continue on with the vlog. Hey guys, so it is a couple hours later. I got out the house. Me and my mom came to Lowe's. Me and my mom came to Lowe's to get a couple things, so that we can still try to clean up and salvage. We came out to get something to eat. Yeah, so pretty much we drove around. First of all, we went to damn, it's hot as hell out here. We went to this location where our energy provider DTE was giving out ice and water and stuff. And yeah, so now we're at Lowe's. We're just gonna get like mops and stuff so we can try to clean up. We came out to get something to eat, and yeah, so I don't even know how long this vlog is gonna be. I kind of don't want it to be too long for you guys, but yeah, stay tuned. My hair already dropped, y'all. I put water and I sprayed water and conditioner on my hair, and it's already dry. Like, come on now. But yeah, so let's go in.